what's up? It's Kristen. Today I have another Amazon Prime wardrobe unboxing for you. So if you guys are not familiar with Amazon Prime wardrobe, they have two options. You can pick items yourself and you have 7 days to try it on. It's free. Or they do have a new thing where you can get styled. It's $4.99 a month. So I thought that was awesome. With this one, I decided to style myself again because I had luck with the last box. I found 4 pieces that I really loved. So you have 7 days, and then they give you a return label where you can return your box to UPS. And let me see how many items I got in my box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 items. So if you like these kind of videos, just keep on watching. Okay, so the first item that I have here is a pair of Uggs. They are in a size 8, and they are these. I've seen these everywhere. I thought these were super cute. I wanted to try them. They have the Ugg name in the back, and they are super cute. They're on the side, on the bottom, you can wear these outside, and they have a little bit of a wedge, and they are fuzzy. They're not padded at all. But yeah, I mean, these are super cute, and they do have that. So we'll try those on. Okay. Next, I got another pair of Ugg slippers, and these ones are a little bit different. I thought they were different in the picture, so here they are. They have this thicker sole, and they are a little bit squishy. They are black as well. They have the Ugg logo right here, and this is just something to, you know, wear around the house for the winter. Just to be comfortable, because I do love slippers. So we'll try these on. So we'll go over prices at the end once we go through everything again. All right, so those are just the 2 shoe items that I picked out that I really were looking forward to trying on. Next, I got this 3-pack of shirts. And let's see what these are. They're called Clementine Apparel Women's Deep V-Neck Tee Pack of 3, Ice Blue, Silk, and White in a size medium, because I do like these kind of V-neck shirts oversized. I wanted a pack of white, all 3, but they did not have it in a medium. And here's the first one. And then here is the blue top. It looks white on camera, but it's a light blue. And then here is the color Silk, which is like a light gray. I do love this a lot. And so the first pair of Ugg flip-flops were $99. Second pair, $79. Those tops were $27.27 for the 3-pack. And next item is this, it's like an off-the-shoulder, cold shoulder top sweater, longer. It has this blue V and the cutoff on the sleeve. And this is the pattern. And this is the Jack by BB Dakota top. And it's $20.06. So we'll see what this looks like on. Next we have these pull-on kind of jeans. They are elastic. These pockets are not real, but they do have regular pockets in the back. These are a cute jean, just regular, no distressing, stretchy jean. And these were pretty cheap. They are by Tribal Women's Pull-On Ankle Knit Denim Jeggin Medium Wash, size 0, $21.60. So I wonder if these compare to like the Spanx. Probably not. They probably don't suck you in as much, but we will try those. That's a pretty good deal for that. Next is this gray cardigan. It's a little bit longer. I do love cardigans for the winter, and especially longer ones. It is just this gray color. It has pockets, a little tiny cut up the side. I don't like them with the big cut. So here it is. You'll see it better on. So that is super cute. And this is Amazon Essentials. Amazon Essentials women's lightweight, longer length cardigan sweater in coral heather, size extra small, $25.50. So that is actually a good deal there for that cardigan. Next is another gray cardigan. This is super cute. I really like this one a lot. It's a little bit oversized, flat front with a pocket, no cuts up the side. You'll see this better on. So this is Freshman. That's a different name. Freshman 1996 women's drop shoulder, open cardigan sweater, cozy light heather gray, extra small, $30.80. So that one's a little bit pricier, but it is heavier. And you can fold the sleeves, so that is really cute. So we'll try that on. And last but not least is this green cardigan, and it has this detail up the sides for this here. It's really cute. Some braiding, and then there's pockets. And here it is. It's flat front as well. I don't like the teardrop ones. I don't like all that extra material up front. So this is Allison Brittany. And this is Allison Brittany women's marled lace up with side slit shoulder cardi with front pockets in olive, size small, $22.13. Okay, so that is everything. I'm gonna try these on for you and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so the first item I have on is one of these tops. This is the light blue color. I think this was super cute. Nice and baggy, not super tight. I could wear this definitely with cardigans. And let me bring it down a little bit more. That's why I picked them out for cardigan jackets and stuff for the winter. I thought these were adorable. Next we have are the jeans. They were a little hard getting on. They were like super tight right here, but otherwise they fit really good. They fit really nice. I like the wash on these, but they are a little bit tight to get on. So if you do decide to get them, then that's just something to let you guys know about, that it is super tight in the waist. It's hard to get over my hips here. Next we have is the UGG shoe. It is really cute, fits really nice. They are a little bit big, so I would probably have to go with a 7, but they are super comfortable. Okay, and then next, so this was the one. Then next is the other little slide. This one is comfortable as well. It's super cute. They're nice. They are comfortable, squishy. And here it is, you can see. Okay, so what I have on here is, let me close my door so my husband's talking on the phone, is the gray top and the super long gray cardigan. I'm sorry, my ring light went out. It got too hot, so it kind of turned off. But this is super cute. It's a little relaxed. I do like this t-shirt. And like I said, this is pretty long. I'm only 5'4", so this comes to like my knees or a little bit below. And it is really nice. This is the type of style that I like and like to wear. So here it is. Okay, next I have the white top in the 3-pack shirts. And I have this gray cardigan. The pockets kind of stick out, if you could see. They stick out, and it is kind of like swallowing me up. This is like super warm, but it is cute. And here's the pattern. It's really nice. I love gray. So yeah, I'll turn for you guys. Like I said, it is kind of big. It makes me look a lot bigger than I really am. So let me know what you think. Okay, so next is this green cardigan. It is cute. It has the tie-ups on the side. This is a little bit larger if you like them like bulkier and longer. It is really cute and fits really nice. So here you could see the pattern. It's kind of like a waffle crochet. It is super cute. Fits really nice. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. I have one more shirt. Okay, last but not least is the top. Let me bring you up a little bit. Here it is. It fits kind of weird. It has the shoulder sleeves, the V-neck here. Fits like this. It isn't super long. It isn't bad, but it's not really my style, but it is cute. Here you can see what the material looks like. And then the V-neck right here. So yeah, okay, I'm gonna come back with my final thoughts and let you know what I decide to keep. Okay guys, so I'm back. So I'm gonna go over the items and let you know what I liked or disliked about it. So this top here, unfortunately I'm gonna be sending it back. It just doesn't fit me correctly, but it is super comfortable and super soft. And I do kind of like it, but I just don't see myself like reaching for it. Next is the set of 3 tops. So with this one, I really like the white, so I'm gonna see if they have the set of 3 white ones in stock just for regular Amazon, because I wear a lot of white. The other colors, the light blue I wouldn't really wear. This one I would, this color. So we'll see what other ones they have. So I'm not sure if I am going to keep this or not. So it's not bad, $27 for 3 shirts. Next is this green cardigan. This is cute. It just was a little bit too big for me, so I'm going to pass on that. Let me grab the shoes. These shoes, both of them, I am going to pass on them. Unfortunately, these ones, they were just a little bit too different for me. I like something that covers a little bit more on the top. So I am going to be sending these ones back. $79, I don't think I want to pay that. Next, I really did like these, but I think I'm going to see if they have them in gray in a size 7 and maybe get them. I'm not sure, but I do like these a lot. But I'm going to be sending these back because they're too big. Keep dropping stuff. Okay. Next we have, I did really like this gray sweater. It is super cute, but it was too bulky at the bottom. And I am going to be sending this one back as well. So, I love cardigans. This gray one, I'm not sure about. I think it's cute. Let me look at the price again. Amazon Essentials. I think it was like $25. Yeah, $25.50. I'm going to pass on it. I do not need it right now. I thought it was really cute, but unfortunately, I'm going to be sending that back. Last but not least are these jeans. Okay, so they were struggle to get on over my hips, but when they were on, they like felt really nice and fit really nice. So I'm going to be thinking about these and possibly keeping these. Let me know your guys' thoughts in the comments down below. I'll let you know what I decided to keep and what I decided, yeah, basically to keep. So thank you guys for watching. Please give this a thumbs up and like and subscribe. Bye.